Sure bafethu, namhlanje nginiphathele i-update ka-Arsenal evele by kanye no-Luke Batman. Before selapho bafethu ngicela ni-subscribe zame bafethu ukunyusa i-page. Sure bafethu, before siye nje la endabeni ka-Luke Batman no-Arsenal evele by. Yazi bafethu into engiyibonayo, Kaizer Chiefs only need 2 signings manje. Only 2 signings ewadinga i-Kaizer Chiefs, which is eyokuqala siyazi sonke, which is goalkeeper, i-goalkeeping department. I know ukuthi uPeterson ukhona and uyazama, but I think he needs competition because I don't wanna criticize uVuma bafethu. I don't wanna criticize uVuma, but akamnikezi much competition uPeterson, yabo. Now Peterson is not the best. I'm not saying he's the best, but I think we need omunye ugoalkeeper lapha kwi-goalkeeping department. And then bese kuba yilapha umjito u13, which is uPulemodi. uPulemodi bafethu still needs a competition on this side, because on this side bakhona umfundo Vilakazi oLilepo, yabo. I know ukuthi bathi moyi winger you need to ukuthi ukwazi ukudlala both sides, but we know ukuthi i-strength sabo njengamanje ekwa right, yabo, oLilepo nomfundo. But ngapha kuPulemodi man akanayo competition, kunaloko kuze kuthathwe oMdu noSirino ukuze bedlale ngapha if yena kumele bamkhiphe. I think we need an original winger ngapha bafethu ezocompete noPulemodi, yabo. So that's what I need njengamanje. Ngicabanga ukuthi need only 2 signings bafethu Kaizer Chiefs, which is i-winger bese kuba iLontunjana, iLontunjana ugoalkeeper, yabo. Okunye-ke acha kusafani bafethu, i-competition sinayo sekuzobonwa ngewindi la ngoJanuary, yabo. Okay, sibuye la bafethu kwindaba ka-Arsenal evele by no-Luke Batman, yabo. Okay, this is ku-kick off bafethu. I'm not sure whether kuyiqiniso noma kanjani, yabo. According to kick off, yabo, nomsokhala Duma lapho, yabo, athi iLontunjana iSpurs sithi sona at least akukhishwe iLontunjana i-fee, i-development fee. Mawuthi uyayikhumbula i-development fee, I think 1.5 million if nje ufuna i-player from i-development. Njengoba ngathi nje kune-player elisukile kithi la kwi-DDC la kwi-Galaxy. I-Galaxy angithi will pay 1.5 million we-development fee because i-team isuke ilidevelopile i-player, yabo. So njengamanje i-Cape Town Spurs isho njalo, it's at least abakhokhe u-1.5 for each player, 1.5 million, which is 3 million abadlali bebo babili, yabo. I'm not sure ngizokuthiwa they are considering vele i-Kaizer ukukhokha lo 3 million, but the last time sizwile bafethu uLontunjana uMtawung wayethena ayikho imali azoyikhipha. Mawuthi siyakhumbula i-statement saMtawung wathi ayikho imali azoyikhipha for these players, but then manje kuthiwa they are willing to pay at least lo 3 million we-development fee le, yabo. But manje into engiconfusayo ukuthi how come bekhokhwe i-development fee if labadlali sebeke badlala kwi-professional football, yabo. Mina ngokwazi kwami ngazi ukuthi i-development fee ikhokhwa if i-plan lithathe lapha eNzansi kwi-DDC belisese kwi-development but lingakadlali kwi-professional football, but bona sebedlalile kwi-professional football, kwi-professional league. So how come ukuthi bekhokhelwe futhi i-development fee? But then it seems as if ngathi kuzogcina ikhambe kanjalo bafethu, kukhokhwa iLontunjana i-development fee, which is u3 million because it's 1.5 million is 1.5 million bebo babili. Sizobona ukuthi i-case izogcina ikhiphile leyo mali, asikakazi kwamanje bafethu. This is according to i-kick off neladuma bafethu. I'm not sure whether it's true or not, yabo. Angifuni kube ngathi ngikhuluma amanga nabafethu, it's according to uladuma no-kick off. Siyazi ukuthi nabo babuye bageje, but nje so far ngathi isihamba kanjalo bafethu indaba, yabo. And then bafethu siphinde sithi farewell bafethu kuPotsane. Potsane bafethu ngisho ngithi abanye abadlali bafethu banebhadi. If ukhumbula kahle indlela esasijabule ngayo bafethu amakhosi the time uPotsane efika kwi-Kaizer Chiefs, yabo. I'm not saying ukuthi uPotsane is the best, but he's one of ama-skillful players bafethu uPotsane, siyamazi, yabo. Esuka le koLontunjana ku-Royal AM, yabo. Wayenswempu kakhulu uPotsane bafethu. It's just ukuthi abona abanye abadlali mawunebhadi sokunebhadi bafethu, ufike nje wazodlalela nje i-injury umjito, wazohlala nje injury, ushaye injury ende kwi-Kaizer Chiefs, yabo. Yilento ecishe yashaya uGeorge Mahlow. uGeorge Mahlow wahlala isikhathi eside kwi-injury waba nenhlanhla ukuthi uzobuya isizini isizophela, wafike wayiprova, yabo, wafike wayiprova uGeorge Mahlow. Ngicabanga ukuthi wasindiswa yilokho because ucoach ubesemfaka naye uGeorge Mahlow. Manje ukhuluma ukuthi wakhona ukuyiprova, wamthanda ucoach. UPotsane azange alithole lo thuba lelo because wadlala imidlalo emibili bemthatha isizini isizophela nakhona esengena nje sekusele ama-minutes amancane, yabo. So nje bafethu ibuhlungu indaba kaPotsane, but then-ke bese kuyisikhathi sokuthi avulela abanye ispace. So nje bafethu, farewell to uPotsane. Otherwise bafethu, ikhosi alipheli imoya. Cela ungakhohlwa bafethu ukuthi usubscribe lapho, ulike bafethu, zama ukuthi siphushe ipage. Otherwise bafethu, danko, ikhosi alipheli imoya.